Hello student, welcome to Max Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the ONGC recruitment which they have released now for the GATE aspirant who is already appeared at the GATE 2021 paper, and now they have able to fill that form because they have mentioned the minimum requirement for the GATE score having a good rank in it, and all those branches who is eligible for that we will discuss in this video, so you need to stay at the end of the video. And if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. We will definitely reach out to everyone soon. So let's begin with that. ONGC, as per the earlier notification, they have released ONGC recruitment for the GATE 2020, and now they have released for the GATE 2021, and there are different branches which is applicable based on the GATE paper they have mentioned over it. So going ahead with the AE cementing mechanical, you need to have a minimum 60% marks with mechanical engineering, and mechanical engineering having total number of 6 posts in there, 2 for unreserved category, 3 for OBC, 1 for SC. There is no post for ST and SEWS. Similarly, for the AE cementing petroleum, minimum you need to have a 60% marks with the degree of petroleum engineering, and you need to appear with the PE, that is GATE paper code, and total number of vacancy 1, which is reserved for the unreserved category. Similarly, going ahead with the AE civil, that criteria for the 60% and respective branch they have mentioned throughout the process whichever they required based on the recruitment of the particular notification. So related to the civil, you need to have a minimum 60% marks with the civil engineering, and you need to have appear with the 21 papers, GATE paper codes. So total vacancy for the civil was 18, in that 8 for unreserved category, 4 for OBC, 3 for SC, 1 for ST, 2 for EWS. Similarly, for AE drilling mechanical, you need to appear with the ME paper code along with the mechanical engineering with the having minimum 60% marks in the graduation, and there are total 28 posts in there, 17 for unreserved, 4 for OBC, 2 for SC, 3 for SC, 1 for ST, and 3 for EWS. Similarly, for AE electrical, total number of posts was 40, in that 17 for unreserved, 10 for OBC, SC for 5, and 4 for ST, and 4 for EWS. Going ahead with the electronic, there are total 5 posts, in that 5 for unreserved, 2 for unreserved, 1 for OBC, 1 for SC. There is no post for the ST, and EWS having 1 post. Going ahead with the AE instrumentation, total number of posts was 32. Similarly, for AE mechanical, again there are total 33 posts, in that 15 for unreserved and 7 for OBC, and again going with the 2 for ST and 2 for SC and 1 for EWS. Similarly, like mechanical, there is chemical, total number of posts was 16, and distribution is again going on. You need to have a respective degree in the respective GATE paper code. If you are matching with that, then you are eligible to fill that form. Again, I'll go with the only mechanical branch because it's specific for mechanical. So there are total mechanical 3 category which I have mentioned earlier, like first AEE cementing mechanical, there are total 6 posts. Similarly, AE drilling mechanical, there are total 28 posts. If you going ahead, then AE mechanical having 33 posts, and going ahead with that AE production chemical, similarly like that, and which is applicable for the chemical engineering. That's all for the mechanical. So going ahead with the other things, what was the eligibility and all those things, they have mentioned that you need to have a minimum GATE 21 score which is valid. If you have a GATE 20 or earlier, you are not able to fill that form, and you have a minimum 60% criteria as per your conversion of CGPI to percentage criteria. If you have not mentioned in your result at the back end, then you need to connect with your university. They will provide a certain process which you convert CGPI into percentage criteria. And what was the age eligibility for unreserved? They are total 30 years, OBC 33, SC ST 35, and PWBD. Depending on the criteria, they have relaxation 3 to 5 years based on your category. But for the particularly drilling and cementing, you need to compare 2 years less as compared to the mention for the normal criteria. Like for the unreserved, in that case 28 years for the drilling cementing, and for the OBC 31 years, SC ST 33, and PWD around based on a criteria which they have mentioned it. So going ahead with the other, like they have already released GATE 20 notification. Similarly for the GATE 21, and what was the salary about all those things. So salary is more than 23 lakhs per annum, which is applicable for GATE 21, a little bit higher in GATE 21 paper because they have not mentioned in a recruitment notification. So going ahead, they have mentioned like once you clear that GATE examination and interview, you have to go with the medical examination based on the company requirement whichever they have mentioned. You need to go and test the medical test, you need to have a clear. For the general OBC EWS, you need to pay 300. For SC, ST and PWD, there are no charges at all, and these registration fee are non-refundable. Once you have rejected or selected or any other things, you are not able to return this amount once you have paid. Going ahead with the date, the start date of online registration around 11th of October and last date was 1st of November. So you need to fill all these things within this duration. If you have forget to fill that, then you are not able to apply for this relevant position. Before applying to that, you need to have a relevant document which they have mentioned in a notification. So just check if you are working with the public sector under finance. So the candidate who is working in a public sector undertaking or government services, you need to produce the no objection certificate at the time of document verification. If you forget, then you are not able to absorb that seat. And going ahead with the medical examination, they have mentioned that can complete or partial color blindness is not acceptable for all the posts, acceptable only of the material management officer post. Similarly, for the total amount of myopia, they have mentioned that the certain amount, like you need to not exceed -4 to +4. If you have that, then you might be considered with the different post which they have mentioned over here. Similarly, for the candidate having more than 20 years of age, you need to myopia -6 to +6, and they have mentioned like you need to have a with the definite range. If you are not, then not acceptable. Few of the posts are obviously applicable for that, but for the color blindness, a little bit complicated as compared to this range of myopia and other things. So that's all for this video. If you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. If you like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.